Sisetulu kakhulu sibalo sebantu labasha labangasebenzi kulelive. Bangu-35% bantu bakulelive labangasebenzi njengoba ne-COVID-19 ifaka kakhulu isandla kulo kanti uma kubalwa bangu-59% bantu labasha labangasebenzi. Kunemibiko letsi uhulumende angahle amemetele kutsi leminye imisebenti inikwe abantu bakulelive kuphela njengendlela yokutama kulisana nalesibalo. Umkhandlu i-Black Business uthi lokhu kungasita kulisana nalenkinga yesibalo lesisetulu sebantu bakulelive labangasebenzi.
If you look at all the countries all over the world, there are rules regarding entry-level jobs. You can't just go to any country from here. You can't just go to any country with no qualifications and you just go there and work. We have to be patriotic and support our own economy and support our own people who are unemployed, who are sitting at home waiting for the social grant.
It's uhulumende angaphasisa lo mthetho lona kumele kubukisiswe tonke tinhlangothi lutsingizwe kabantu lolu dzaba kungamane nje kwendiwe.
We want to make a call on the president to ensure a much wider consultation and debate on the issue of the introduction of quotas in the economy as part of regulating the presence of foreign workers in South Africa. It's not an easy discussion at all. It's very complex, it's very emotional. It would be a mistake for the president to just on the basis of what he hears in Nedlek think that that's a total representation of the view of society. It would be a mistake.
Mengameli Cyril Ramaphosa kulinzele ukuthi atfule inkhulumo yebunjalo belive ngalesine Tindzaba.